Let it hit you.
What?
Point it at her.
Listen, what happened? That sign's talking mess, I think. What? What's going on? Okay. All right, dude. All right. Leave it alone. It's okay. It's okay. Why?
I'm done. My fingers hurt.
Okay.
No.
Oh, what? What are you doing? Why'd you do that for? All right. So, is that talking to your sister too? What the heck's wrong with him?
Buddy. Come on, boy.
Okay. Leave her alone, man. It's okay. Okay. It's piranha. Okay. Okay. All right. No. All right. That's enough. All right. That's enough.